welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of these two new albums from Jus2. This is their debut album for Focus. As you all know, I am a very big fan of GOT7, and when I heard that they were going to release a subunit, I immediately thought of all the other possibilities of the subunit. So I was very happy when I found out that this was going to be a sexy concept, and of course you can't have a sexy concept without Yugim and JB. And as you all probably know by now, JB is my ultimate bias and GOT7 is my ultimate group, so I was very happy about this subunit. As you can see here, I have two different versions of the Focus album. One is mine and the other one is my sister's, so I'm going to be unboxing both today. And I also have the pre-order items as well. So I think I should start with the pre-order items just because they are the simplest. Okay, so as you can see here, there are two separate booklets. I believe these little accordion guys are all the same, so I'll just show you one. On the back side, you just have a lot of these different colors, these Focus colors, as you can see. So it's a very long like accordion book, and the other side has all of their pictures. So they just come in twos. They're like different like concepts, I guess, for two pictures. So you have JB and Yugim here in black and white. I really like this one, which is the red photo shoot. One of my favorites, very sexy, of course. And then this one is more blue. I also really like that photo shoot, and then a group shot of them there. I'm pretty sure mine is the exact same with all of these same pictures. Yep, looks exactly the same. The only thing that is different here are these guys. I believe these are also sort of like photo cards, like group photo cards. So my sister got the colored one that came with her colored version, and then this one is the black and white one. I really like how awesome they look like that. Inside here, I have this picture of JB and Yugim, which match the cover of mine, which is really cool. And then this one matches that one. These are really nice. I really like the pictures that they take. I think they just look so sexy. I love it. Okay, so I'm actually going to go through the black and white version first. I was seriously so excited to get this album in my hands because it took forever to get to me for some reason. So this is what the back looks like. I believe this was similar to their teaser image. People thought that JB was Bam Bam, which like I couldn't believe because it's definitely JB there. And then they have the track listing here. You get 6 songs. As you can see, this album has a sleeve on it. By the way, all of these albums are the same size as like their previous mini albums, so they look really like satisfying all lined up. So I really like how this cover has the red foiling and then the circle. I think that's really pretty. And so this is the album. I really like these books, these perfect bound books. I think they're so much more satisfying to flip through. So in the front here, you have some of the lyrics, "Now focus on me, keep your eyes on me," and a Focus page over here, title page. There are 2 different versions of this book, Yugim and JB, of course, and I'm so happy because I got my bias. I got JB. He looks so cool, and this is kind of like a silvery paper, which looks really nice. I like his hair in this comeback too. So let's quickly flip through this photo book. Obviously there are pictures of Yugim in here. It isn't just like a single member in these photo books, which is something that I really like as well. So track list. Some of these images are similar to the teaser images that they released earlier before. I really like this image. I think it looks really sexy. Of course, MJ original sexy. I also really like their outfits in here. I like how, even though they're wearing like Gucci and stuff like that and like brand names and very expensive clothing, they still look not overwhelming, you know what I mean? Like they still have really nice classic style to them. Of course, here's Yugim. He looks really good. I really love his makeup in this comeback. Okay, here's that red photo shoot that I really liked. I really like how their comeback also isn't like too sexy. It's not like stripping sexy, even though like I wouldn't mind that, but you know what I mean? It's like still appropriate for like all ages. So I saw this thing online somewhere where someone went to a GOT7 concert, and they've been to other K-pop concerts before. However, when they went to the GOT7 concert, there was like full-on families going, and like, you know, not just fangirls, also fanboys, which I think is really nice. I really like this photo shoot as well, this blue one. I think this was one of the teaser images. I really like this photo. Yoogim. I really like the colors in Yoogim's outfits. I think they're really nice. He can pull off a lot of colors, and gray hair on him is probably one of my favorites. He also had it during some of the Japanese comebacks, and it looks so nice on him. Here we have like a little 4-picture collage of some little details, like his earrings. I think there's one of Yoogim. I really like Yoogim's earring in this as well. And now some of the group shots. Some really up close shots of them. I really like these, the ones where they're slightly out of focus. I think these really match the concept, and they look really good. I find that these, this photo shoot in particular kind of looks sort of more mysterious, and I really like it. Also, look at Yoogim's like glare. He looks so good. Like I said, like it's sexy, but like not overwhelmingly sexy. It's like, it's really nice. So you look at his glare. Look at him. And the hair coming over his eyes, that looks so nice. Also JB in this one. Here is the thanks to page, JB and Yoogim's. Some more group images. That teaser image. Contents, production, staff. The CD that I have in here actually is already in my CD player, so that's why I don't have it, but I got the black and white one. So that is the first version. Also with that album, you do get a little like lyrics poster and a mini poster. So you also get these. Here are the lyrics to all 6 songs. And then I'm super excited because I got a JB poster. I'm definitely gonna be putting this up. This is one of the posters that I really wanted. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the poster that I got in pre-order. I'll put it up on the screen now. I got another horizontal poster, which is really difficult for me because I have to rearrange, like, I have no wall space, so I need to rearrange some things. I have room for vertical posters on doors, but I got a horizontal one, but I'm very happy because it has both members on it, and they look amazing. So, very happy that I also got a mini poster of JB. And I'll show you the photo cards as well. So you get 2 photo cards in here, not including this group one. But the first one that I got is a group photo card, which I like. I'm very happy. So here's Yoogim and JB in their orangey outfits from their music video. They look really good. And then the transparent card that I got is another JB, which I'm super excited about. So now I have these 2 to put into my collection. I kind of wish that this one was also like the same size so I can have them in like the same sleeve or whatever, because usually GOT7 has at least 3 photo cards, but it's okay because they look good, so I'm very excited. So now let's unbox the next version. So next I have this version. This was actually the version that I wanted to pick up myself, however my sister grabbed it first, which I was very upset about. I just really like how this whole like focus thing here is. See, the plastic sleeve has the red foiling on it, but it also has red foiling on the inside as well, so I think that's really pretty, and I really like the colors. So this is the back of hers. It is out of focus, which I really like, and then the track list is on the bottom. So let's get into this. I actually haven't looked at her version, so this will be brand new for me as well. Again, lyrics on the side here. Oh yes, awesome, she got the Yoogim version. So we got 1 of each, which is really nice. Wow, I thought we were gonna end up with the same version, so I'm very excited that we got 2. Yoogim's pictures are so nice. He might be my new bias wrecker. I do have a lot of like Jin Young things because every time I buy a GOT7 album I have a like at least 2 Jin Young photo cards, but he's not in this he's not in this subunit, so like JB came and now Yugim's here as my bias wrecker, so I really like these images. Also, Yugim's like proportions, like his legs are so long. So when he dances, it just looks like really, really nice and clean. Ooh, I like these close-up shots. Some JB pictures. Oh wow, I really like this collage. Oh man, now I'm jealous that I didn't get this version. I really like these images. I wish there were more of these pictures. You don't have many of them. Oh man, now I wish I got the color version. This one looks so pretty. I love these photo shoots so much. I really like Yugim's hair. It's very nice covering his eyes, and he's also wearing contacts. So I want to ask you guys if you have any like recommendations for like new CD players, because I want to start playing these CDs, but my CD player isn't really working very well. So if you guys have any recommendations for any other like newer CD players, I know it's weird that I'm buying a CD player now, because everything's like I can buy everything online, but since I buy these albums, like I want to listen to them. I was thinking about getting a wall CD player, but I'm not sure how long that will last. I'm kind of better off getting like a really old like Panasonic or Sony one. But if you guys have any recommendations for any good ones, please do let me know, because I want to listen to these albums. Oh, again with these collaged images. And then I really like this one as well with the circle around them. Wow, these shots are very up close to their face. Their skin looks so nice. I also really like their accessories. Again, yes, my favorite. These slightly out of focus ones, they look so good. This one as well. Look at their gazes, they look so sexy. Of course, I kept thinking about some other, before they officially announced the members, I was thinking about some other combinations, and I thought Youngjae would do really well in a unit. I thought maybe he might want to change his image and make it more sexy for some reason. But obviously I knew JB had to be in it, because he is original sexy MJ bum. Again, here's the thanks. And then some few more of these images. Teaser image. And this is the CD. This is the same, I got the same design of CD as this one. The other version I believe is red, which I would have also really liked. So that is that one. And then I'll show you her poster, her mini poster, I mean her lyrics poster, and then her photo cards as well. So again, all of the lyrics on here. And she got, oh, she also got a JB poster, but this one is black and white. So she actually got a good combination, because she got the colored book, but then the black and white poster. She got that, and then she got a JB photo card here. This one you can match up to another Yu-Gi-Oh one, which I wish I got, so we could have, I don't know, we could have matched and fit together, but I didn't get that one. The transparent photo card is Yu-Gi-Oh, so I'll just show these, all of these photo cards together. So the top ones are my sister's, and then these bottom ones are mine. These are two really, really cool photo cards, by the way. Like, I really like the transparent ones and like the special ones. I think they're so cool. I'm kind of jealous because my sister got a solo Yu-Gi-Oh poster. I think this picture is like so nice. So yeah, I'm kind of jealous, but I really like having both the whole subunit on my wall. So that is it for my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope it wasn't too chatty. If you guys purchased one of these albums, please share what you guys got. Also, don't forget to follow my K-pop bullet journal account. I will leave it down below in the description box, as well as my main Instagram account as well, which is more planning. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!